Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out something that's way more than just a lamp. It's the Govee Table Lamp 2 Pro, sound by JBL. So this is not just about lighting up your space, it's about creating an immersive home entertainment experience. And yes, it actually syncs music and light with millisecond accuracy. So in this video, we're gonna get the box open, check out what comes in here, then we're gonna test out some of the features and talk about what actually makes this such an incredible purchase. Inside the box, you get the Govee Table Lamp 2 Pro, a power adapter, and a quick start guide. First impressions, this thing looks premium. It's compact, modern, and has a sturdy feel to it. You've got 670 LEDs, a touch sensor, and 64mm full range speaker right in the base. And it's all packed into a footprint that fits right on your side table. So what makes this more than just a lamp? Let's start with the lights. The Table Lamp 2 Pro uses RGB ICWW technology, and that means you're getting customizable colors, cool to warm whites, and over 16 music modes. You can even DIY your own effects. And here's the magic. Music light sync with 32 millisecond accuracy. That means your lamp reacts to your music practically in real time. Whether you're chilling alone or vibing with a few friends, it brings the room to life. Seriously, this is like a mini light show on your desk. Now, compared to its competitors, the Govee wins on customization. It's got way more LEDs, looking at about 670 versus an average of about 140, and supports smart controls like Alexa, Google Assist, and even Matter. So that means I can change colors or volumes with just my voice. So now let's talk audio. Govee partnered with JBL, so the sound isn't an afterthought. You're getting a 10-watt speaker with JBL's equalizer algorithm. Highs are crisp, mids are clear, and the bass, well, way punchier than you expect from a lamp. And you have complete control over them with the Govee Home app. This app gives you so many different controls, from different lighting designs to play with your music. And there is some really cool ones, including some holiday themed ones, including Christmas and Halloween. Then you can pick solid colors. You can control the brightness, if the top part of the lamp or the bottom part of the lamp is turned on or off, or if you'd like to just do a white light. And that's just a tiny example of how much power this app puts into your hands. You connect two of these lamps, you get a home theater grade stereo thanks to the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connection. That means faster, more stable signal and perfect light audio sync. It's also extremely portable. With a 5200 mAh battery, you get up to 4.5 hours of music and lights at 50% brightness and volume. So whether you're chilling in the bedroom, having a small get together, or even enjoying a cozy date night, this thing sets the vibe and you don't have to stress about needing to plug it in or charge it. So it's perfect to take to the beach, a picnic, or keep in your bedroom. Feeling stressed? Well, it actually comes with 24 white noise presets too. From rain to ocean waves, you can use it purely for ambience or, well, a better sleep. So I did test it out on a movie night recently, and everyone knows that the light sync makes it feel like the music is alive, not just decor. It's actually a part of the atmosphere. So if you're into tech that adds personality into your space and makes your entertainment setup pop, this is it. It's not just a lamp, it's a vibe machine. The Govee Table Lamp 2 Pro, priced at under $200, is packed with features: immersive lighting, high quality JBL sound, full smart control and portability. Whether you're relaxing or partying, it's the ultimate home entertainment companion. Now, if you are interested in the Govee Table Lamp 2 Pro, we are going to be leaving a link in the description below. I'd love you to let me know in the comments what your favorite feature was. Send this to a friend who you think could use this in their entertainment setup. Hit that like button and subscribe for more great reviews like this. We'll see you in the next one.